Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a great thing to start a day with a cup of tea, and I prefer Darjeeling black tea. It's one of the finest tea in the world. Today is yet another day, and today I'll be going to Dubai Mall. And as you guys know, Dubai Mall is one of the biggest mall in the world. I need to go to the Apple store because I've got some problem with my phone, so I need to show them what's really the problem is. I've not been able to use that phone for a long time, so I'm using a backup phone which I had for a long time as well. So guys, after I finish the Apple store, I'm planning to take you guys to the water fountain where they have the water dancing fountain. It's one of the famous tourist attraction in Dubai, and it's on the back of the biggest mall, and you can see from there BURJ Khalifa as well. So let's see guys, if I get a good chance, I'll try to show you as much as possible about Dubai Mall today. So guys, let me finish my cup of tea and see you guys once I'm out. So guys, I'm here. I'm finally in Dubai Mall. After a long walking, I'm finally here in the Apple store, guys. So guys, I'm here right now in the souk. This is inside Dubai Mall. You can see behind me there's a huge aquarium, and it has already held the Guinness World Record of being the largest indoor aquarium, and that is in Dubai. Dubai has some largest and the biggest things in the world. So there are more than 1,000 varieties of fishes inside, including all the sharks and beautiful things like stingrays you can see behind me. So these are the ones guys. I'll give you a tour around. Enjoy it. Guys, this is what we can see from above. So these are the varieties of fishes which is inside this aquarium. Oh, this one is coming to me, this one is coming to me. Hello there, hello. The other one also. There seems to be a lot of schools of fishes over here. Let's see this one. And that is the place from where, like, you can go on top, you can dive in, and they'll give you some scuba gears, oxygen tanks and all, and you can just feed the fishes, I think, so from there. That is for that reason. So guys, I've already finished my tour to the Dubai Mall. I met Upen over here. Now you'll be driving me back home. And look at this behind me. I've come to a very good location. So from where you can see the BURJ Khalifa, the whole of BURJ Khalifa. So you can see over there. Ooh. So this is, let's say it's one of the topmost area for parking. So you can see the 360 view of this place. And I would end the day with this vlog, and this is where I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys on the next video.